Hey guys, I'm Alex and I am a professional makeup artist, and today I want to talk about my new obsession, Wander Beauty's new Eyes on Me kit. So inside this kit, we have not one, but two of the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Masks. You know I love these. So we have that. We also have their new Mile High Club Mascara. Love a good eyelash situation. And then we have two liquid eyeshadows, and they're in two really natural colors. These are my favorite tones to play with. So first, let's go ahead and pop on these Baggage Claim masks under our eyes to give some good hydration. You know how I feel about skin prep. It's super important to create a good makeup application. My favorite colors too, so. All right, so it's been 15 minutes and I'm going to take these babies off, and I'm just going to rub in whatever is left of the application right into my skin in my under eye area. Let that just soak right up. So next, I'm going to take their new Rose Garden liquid eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this right to the center of my eye and take my finger and gently blend across the entire lid. I'm going to do the same for the other eye. And this color is just super sheer, and it gives such a nice touch to a natural glow look. And I'm going to finish this off with some of the new Mile High Club Mascara. Okay, so I want to go in with a little bit more of a highlight. So I'm going to go back with the Rose Garden and actually pop it right to my cheekbones and tap it in for a nice highlight effect. If I want to go for a little bit more dramatic effect, I'm going to take the deeper shade in Amber Wave and just apply it right to the outer corner and go back in with my finger and blend this out. This is good if you want to switch from daytime to nighttime. So I'm just adding a little bit more to make this look more sultry. This is all about eyes, okay? So this is going to bring you from that daytime look into that nighttime look. Really quick and really efficiently. That's what you like, quick, efficient, easy. Like I said, this is all about eyes, hydrating the eyes, lifting the eyes, and brightening the eyes. So this is a perfect gift for yourself or for your best friend or for someone's birthday, whatever you want to do, any boss babe to celebrate an event. I'm gifting this to a couple of my boss babe friends. I'm also gifting this to myself. So enjoy this. Let me see you if you recreate these looks